Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to rotate your video on Capcut PC. For example, this one you can see I have this landscape videos. I want to make it as a portrait videos that's suitable for TikTok videos or IG story or reels. So how to doing that? First, if you want to just simply rotate, you just click on the videos and then rotate like this into 90 degrees, or you can change on the rotate option here. You just key in of 90 degrees. But the problem is your canvas or your video still landscape. What you have to do is rotate your canvas of your videos by clicking this. You can see this is the original, means that the canvas or your video timeline was our original follow on the video. You put it on the timeline, so you just click that one and then find your desirable ratio. For example, this one. See, I have my story format, TikTok format of this video. I can play it. That's nice. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.